it is like almost 10 o'clock. Hey Google, what time is it?
It's 9:31 a.m.
It's 9:31. So I'm gonna go make myself some breakfast. I'm gonna have French toast like I did yesterday because I had leftover batter, so I just put it in the fridge. And would you even call it batter? I feel like that's a wrong word to use because it's not very battery. It's just like a liquid. You know, it's just eggs, milk, and cinnamon, and vanilla, and sugar. If you want to see me make French toast, I do have a video of me doing that. Cooking with Kristen. I'm gonna do more videos like that. I promise. I love that video. Anyway, I'm gonna do that. And then I'm going to get ready. Yeah. Hi guys. I ate breakfast and now I'm attempting to draw, well, not necessarily draw, watercolor a cow. Because I love cows, and yeah, I'm watching a tutorial on YouTube. If it works out, I will, well, even if it doesn't work out, I'll just put the tutorial down below. But yeah, I kind of drew him a little small. I'm wondering if I should like redraw him, but I think it'll be fine. I might do a couple more cows, who knows? I'll have an entire just sheet of cows. Who knows? These are probably my least favorite drawings ever. I absolutely hate them. This is the cow. I really don't like it that much. I messed up in a lot of areas. And you can probably see where I messed up. But yeah, I don't really like him. And then we have the sheep that I just tried doing. Complete trash, might I say. Art is just infuriating right now. This update, it is now like 4 o'clock. I'm making rings. I did end up cleaning my room a little bit last night. I didn't really show you guys in the last vlog, but it's clean. It's cleaner. It's cleaner, okay? Still have loads of laundry that I need to hang, because what I do is like I hang all my clothes. Like I don't fold my clothes. I only hang them, and I'll hang them, and to like in the morning when I pick out an outfit, I'll just take them off the hanger without putting them back on the hanger, so they just pile up on the floor. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna keep making stuff. So, I just did a load of laundry, and I'm gonna put it away now. This is clothes that I've just thrown on the ground, and then those are more clothes that I've just thrown on the ground. So I'm gonna do that now. Okay, you guys are gonna be so proud of me. Look, the pile, oh, not that pile. The pile is gone. That pile is clothes that I'm getting rid of, so it doesn't matter. Actually, no, that's clothes that I'm packing. The ones, that pink shirt over there with those clothes are the ones I'm getting rid of. Anyway, but look, all the baskets are empty. That one's almost empty. Doesn't matter. Anyway, I'm gonna do something, and you guys are probably gonna be like, Kristen, you're so weird. I'm using a tripod right now, so. Gosh, my phone died, and it's been charging, and now it's charged-ish. It's at 18%. So we're gonna make this quick. Anyway, luckily though, it saved the video footage. I have this shirt, and it is absolutely dead. Like, look at the collar. This is the back. Look at that. And I've sewn it before. I've sewn it, and it just keeps ripping. This is the front. This is the armpit. The armpit on this one is slightly smaller, but still bad. And then this is the bottom. Yeah, I know. It's falling apart. But I love this shirt so much I need to hang it up. Because it's dead, like I said. And so, since it's dead, I have no other choice but to now hang it. Do you think it would look good there? Or should I hang it? I don't know. Maybe I will hang it on this side. It should go like right there, shouldn't it? And I should move that picture. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. Give me a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, I got it hanged just a little bit. Just to be clear, if you have any idea where I can get an exact copy of this shirt, please let me know. It's a Thinking Man shirt. It has a little signature, and then yeah. Should I, like... No. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. There. Done. I hung up the shirt. My family's gonna think I'm crazy, but it's okay because they know I'm obsessed with that shirt. They've all convinced me to get rid of it. I'm not getting rid of it. I'm not. I need to put it in a frame, but like, I don't know where to get one of those. You know what? That's what I want for Christmas. An exact copy of the shirt and then a frame to put this shirt in so I can hang it up on my wall. Instead of it just sadly being like that. It adds character though. Look at my wall now. There's so much character. You're like darting your eyes everywhere being like, oh my gosh, what is happening? I love it. Guys, look who joined me. Now he's sitting all the way over there. What is the purpose of you coming in my room if you just don't even sit next to me? You just ignore me. Come here. This is the cat. He did not like that I just did that. I'm sorry. You can go sit by yourself now. I get it.